Hello any everyone, and welcome back to my collection. My name is Eldritch, and today we're going to be taking another look into my Kamen Rider Geats collection. Today we are going to be looking at, the Keeper set, or whatever it was called when it came out. Came out in conjunction with a movie, and it had the Build Raise buckle. It also was part of the show as well. And it had this little, all of its accessories bit. So let's get these, hopefully get them slotted in properly the first go. We did.
Would you like a custom selection?
Nice. Then we can take out these dudes and bring out custom, I say custom weapons, but it's like weapons that this thing makes.
Gigant sword. Gigant sword.
Hell yeah. Oh wait, right, you have to push the button.
Hybrid. Gigant sword.
I overdid it, so we're gonna have to... the lights didn't go off on either side, which means this guy disconnected too. Oh, he didn't. Sweet. Alright, so with that, actually, we're going to take this opportunity to try something a little different.
Gigant blaster.
We'll put Gigant Blaster in first, and then...
Creation. Deploy powered system. Gigant blaster. Ready. Fight.
Alright. We'll go ahead and pull that out. And pull out the hammer, the final selection. Oh, we'll have to do the sword again.
Gigant hammer. Deploy powered system. Gigant hammer.
Oh wait, does it not do hybrid if you start with one in?
Fight. Gigant hammer.
Okay, it does not. So, I'm causing us to miss things. We're gonna go ahead and reset.
Set warning. Would you like a custom selection?
I would, good sir. We're gonna start with Gigant Blaster.
Gigant blaster.
Alright, now we've done that. Take you out. Ram you back into the buckle for safekeeping. Pull out the sword.
Hybrid gigant sword. Gigant sword.
Alright, I think.
Gigant victory.
Yeah, this does a good too. No matter what, I don't think stacking up all of these changes anything. Oops. There we go.
All might. Gigant hammer. Gigant almighty.
Hell yeah.
Gigant finisher.
Fuck yeah. Alright. Almost forgot a step again. I do believe with all of those sounds, that is, maybe,
Gigant strike.
regular strike. Alright, so, with all that, I do believe we're going to call this video here. If you have enjoyed, please do leave a like, comment down below if you enjoyed this particular raised buckle set. It did also come with this core ID. The hold on, what is it actually called? Powered Builder Buckle. Alright, so yeah, hope you all have enjoyed. Please do leave a like if you did. Comment down below if this was one of the buckles you enjoyed from Geats, and if not, let's talk about which ones you did. That'd be awesome. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, afternoon, evening, or night, depending on when you may be watching this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!